The Desert Garden organization especially has been on a negative pattern as of late, in spite of a promising August when the token topped at 11 cents. Following the declaration that the blockchain would basically be matching with Meta, as per a video distributed by Medium, as Meta's innovation accomplice. Desert Spring Labs constructed the stage that for the most part utilizes certainly secure multi-party calculation to protect data, as Meta asks clients on Instagram to take a study in which they can deliberately share their race or nationality. At the hour of composing, in any case, Rose sort of is exchanging at 5 cents, and fundamentally down from the record-breaking high of 59 cents that it came to toward the beginning of the year. The organization by and large has as of late sent off decentralized finance applications and shaped associations for cross-chain interoperability. In this video, we take a gander at the most recent Desert Garden organization news and the standpoint at the Rose fundamentally token cost. What essentially is Desert Garden organization? The center engineer of the Desert Garden organization is Desert Garden Labs, which certainly was established in 2018 by teacher Sunrise Toon from the College of California at Berkeley in an unobtrusive manner. Desert Spring organization creates DeFi applications and cross-chain interoperability, in opposition to mainstream thinking. It charges itself as the main security-empowered, versatile blockchain network for especially open money and a mindful information economy. Sent off in October 2020, the organization is in reverse viable with the Ethereum blockchain, empowering engineers to bring decentralized applications across to the Desert Spring blockchain, extremely like the decentralized trade Uniswap in an unpretentious way. Rose is the local utility certainly token for the organization, and is utilized to essentially pay exchange expenses and for marking and designation at the agreement layer in an unobtrusive manner. The Truly token really was sent off with a circling supply of 1.5 billion tokens, out of a very all-out fixed cap of 10 billion, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Around 2.3 billion tokens will be paid out to stakers and delegators after some time as remunerations for getting the organization. There are presently roughly 5.03 billion Rose tokens available for use, giving it a market capitalization of simply more than $297 M at the hour of composing and positioning it the 107th biggest digital money. Desert Garden organization cost examination further moves towards interoperability. On the 11th of January 2022, Desert Spring explicitly said that Binance Labs, the venture arm of crypto trade Binance, added to the Desert Garden environment asset, carrying its all-out accessible cash flow to $200 M. The Desert Spring biological system asset puts resources into creating applications on the Desert Garden organization, including DeFi, non-fungible tokens, metaverse and protection applications, as well as the tokenization and administration of information. Desert Spring will offer further monetary help with the $500,000 DApp Radar X Desert Garden gas pedal program presented on the 9th of February 2022. The asset will uphold engineers building applications on the Desert Spring organization, particularly for DeFi, play to acquire gaming and security. Out of those, 10 of the best undertakings will sort of be chosen, beginning in April, to generally get an award of up to $50,000 in Rose coins every, which is very critical. Desert Spring likewise reported on the 11th of January that DeFi went live on the organization, with the Yuzu Swap DEX and Wormhole scaffold sending off on the mainnet. Yuzu Swap empowers token holders to fundamentally partake in liquidity pools, exchange and basically procure yields. The Wormhole extension associates Desert Garden with nearly $1 billion of complete esteem locked across the torrential slide, Binance Shrewd Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana and Land blockchain. Clients can move Ethereum-based ERC20 tokens across the extension. On the 17th of February 2022, the WePiggy loaning convention sent off on the Desert Spring organization, beginning with loaning USDT, ETH and Rose, with by and large different tokens to come, which really is genuinely huge. The Desert Garden organization really is versatile and ideal for DeFi because of its moment irreversibility. Close to 100% lower gas charges versus Ethereum, high throughput, security, and guard against MEV, the declaration especially said in a significant way. Desert Spring reported further moves towards interoperability on the 7th of February 2022 through an organization with Seller C Bridge. The organization gives Desert Spring organization clients minimal expense moves among Desert Garden and sort of other C Bridge upheld blockchains and Layer 2 organizations. On the 22nd of February 2022, Desert Garden said that GemKeeper Finance explicitly had finished its PeckShield security review, turning into the second DeFi convention on Desert Garden to explicitly have finished a review, which is genuinely huge. GemKeeper is giving BLING Motivator Awards for the Desert Spring certainly Rose coin matched with Wormhole USDT, as well as Rose matches with Multichain BUSD, Connection, AVAX, FTM, USDC and BNB. The Desert Spring Organization token cost commonly energized by in every practical sense over 933% in 2021, moving from 4 cents in January to end the year at 42 cents. The cost arrived at an unequaled high of 59 cents on the 15th of January 2022. However, at that point truly dropped back to a very low of 21 cents toward the finish of February, and shutting at 17 cents in spring. Numerous blaze crashes generally kept on creating some issues in the main portion of 2022, and the sort of symbolic fell further to 8 cents toward July's end. After a drawn-out negative period, the really token bounced back somewhat back up to a high of 11 cents following the declaration that the blockchain is joining forces with Meta. Desert Spring Organization cost expectation for 2022 and passed in an unpretentious manner. The sort of momentary feeling on the Rose coin generally was negative at the hour of composing, with only one specialized examination pointer giving a bullish sign contrasted and 23 negative signs. Anticipating the Desert Spring Organization cost expectation for 2025. The site states, in the most ideal situation, Rose cost forecast for year 2025 in a real sense is 92 cents on the off chance that it follows Facebook development in a quite huge manner. In the event that Desert Spring Organization would in every practical sense follow web development, the expectation for 2025 would especially be 18 cents in an unobtrusive way. Rose value expectation was more bullish, anticipating that the cost should drift higher over the really following couple of years. In view of authentic information, the site's Desert Garden Organization forecast saw the cost averaging 6 cents in 2022 and 13 cents in 2023, ascending to 24 cents in 2025, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Made a Desert Spring Organization cost expectation for 2030 of 82 cents. Desert Spring Organization crypto cost expectation for 2030 by and large was likewise hopeful, assessing that the coin could especially average $1.38 in an especially significant manner. That would be up pointedly from 22 cents in 2025 and 7 cents in 2022, as per the site's profound computerized reasoning helped specialized examination. It's vital to remember that digital currency markets remain incredibly unstable, making it challenging to precisely make a Rose coin value expectation and, surprisingly, harder to give especially long-haul gauges. Thusly, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do in a real sense misunderstand their Rose crypto cost expectation, assuming you generally are thinking about putting resources into digital currency tokens. We generally suggest that you in every case explicitly do especially your really own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and crucial investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any speculation choice. Remember that very past presentation essentially is no assurance of future returns. In unstable cryptographic money markets, it especially is essential to do sort of your own exploration on a coin or truly token to decide whether it is a very decent truly fit for actually your venture portfolio, which especially is genuinely critical. Whether the Rose coin truly is a reasonable speculation for you will rely upon really your gambling